Hi students, today we discuss about the regulation of cardiac activity. Cardiac means heart. Generally heart pumps its blood to body organs. The heart undergoes contractions and relaxations for pumping of blood to body organs. Contractions in the heart is called systole and relaxation of the heart is called diastole. The successive systole and diastole constitute a heartbeat. So these are the functions of heart. The cardiac activities are regulated intrinsically and extrinsically. The normal activities of the heart are regulated intrinsically. Normal activities. Normal activities of the heart are regulated intrinsically. Intrinsically by a specialized cardiac muscles. By specialized cardiac muscles. The specialized cardiac muscles are called nodal tissue. Nodal tissue. The human heart possesses two nodal tissues. In the right atrium, this is SA node, this is AV node. So these are the two nodal tissues. The specialized cardiac muscles are nodal tissue, regulates the normal activities intrinsically. The intrinsic regulation is achieved by delaying the contractile signals. Contractile signals are action potential at the AV node. At the AV node. Here, the SA node generate action potential or contractile signals for contraction of the heart. These signals are spread the both atria. Now, the atria undergoes contractions. After atrial contraction, the ventricular contraction begins. Now the AV node receive the action potential or contractile signals from the AC node and send these signals to wall of the ventricles through bundle of its branches and Purkinje fibers. So the action potential is carried by bundle of his branches and Purkinje fibers from AV node. Here, the contractile signals are delayed in the AV node. This delay also allows the complete contraction of the atria so that the ventricles receive the maximum amount of blood to make their own contraction efficient. So the action potential is delayed at AV node. This delay allows the complete contractions of the atria. So this helps the two ventricles. Now the ventricles receives maximum blood from the atria. So the nodal tissue regulate the cardiac normal activities of the heart intrinsically. Next, cardiac activities are extrinsically regulated by nervous system, nervous system and hormonal system. So the nervous system and hormonal system regulate the cardiac activities extrinsically. So the nervous system, a special center. A special center is present in the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. So the special center in the medulla oblongata regulate the cardiac functions extrinsically through autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system. Here, autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic. So, the human nervous system consists of central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, nerves which are arise from central nervous system. Next, the autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic parts. So here a special center is present in the medulla oblongata. So with the help of special center, the medulla oblongata regulate the cardiac functions extrinsically through sympathetic and parasympathetic systems of autonomic nervous system. The nerve signals of special center of medulla oblongata through sympathetic nervous system moderate the cardiac functions. Here the neural signals of special center of medulla oblongata through sympathetic nerves can increase the rate of heartbeat. Next, strength of ventricular contraction and thereby cardiac output. So the neural signals of special center of medulla oblongata through sympathetic system of autonomic nervous system increase the rate of heartbeat, strength of ventricular contraction, and thereby cardiac output. Next, the neural signals of special center of medulla oblongata through parasympathetic system of autonomic nervous system decreases the rate of heartbeat, decreases the rate of heartbeat. Next, speed of conduction of action potential, speed of conduction of action potential, and thereby cardiac output. So the neural signals of special center of medulla oblongata through parasympathetic system of autonomic nervous system decreases the rate of heartbeat, speed of conduction of action potential, and thereby cardiac output. So neural signals through sympathetic system increases rate of heartbeat. Normally the heart can beat 72 times per minute, but the neural signals through sympathetic system increase the rate of heartbeat. It also increases strength of ventricular contractions. So it increases cardiac output. Cardiac output means the volume of blood pumped out by the heart from each ventricle per minute is called cardiac output. Cardiac output is also increases. Pumping of blood from the heart is also increases. Next, the neural signals of special center of medulla oblongata through parasympathetic system of autonomic nervous system decreases the rate of heartbeat. Rate of heartbeat is decreases, and decreases speed of conduction of action potential, and thereby cardiac output. So the cardiac output is also decreases. Pumping of blood from the heart is also decreases. So nervous system regulate the cardiac activities extrinsically. Next, hormonal system also regulate the cardiac activities. Here, epinephrine and norepinephrine of adrenal gland. So adrenal gland is located, a pair of adrenal glands are located on the kidneys. Here the adrenal gland secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. Adrenal gland is a endocrine gland. Generally endocrine gland secretes hormones. So adrenal gland secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. The epinephrine and norepinephrine increases cardiac output. So epinephrine and norepinephrine of adrenal gland increases cardiac output, which increases rate of heartbeat. So cardiac output is also increases. Next, thyroxine thyroxine hormone of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is located in the neck region. In the neck region, thyroid gland secretes thyroxine hormone. The thyroxine hormone also increases rate of heartbeat and cardiac output. So thyroxine hormone of thyroid gland increases rate of heartbeat and cardiac output. So this is the regulation of cardiac activity. Cardiac activities are regulated intrinsically and extrinsically. Intrinsically, it is regulated by specialized cardiac muscles called nodal tissue. Extrinsically regulated by nervous system and hormonal system.